Here we are today, downtown Wilmington. We're in a 1920s property that was once a commercial property. We're turning into a residential space. We're taking this office space. This is going to be turned into the living room over here. We're going to incorporate the original features of the fireplace into the living space. We're going to do a nice kitchen over here. Islands centered over the fireplace. Again, going to keep the fireplace a little notch out so it keeps the original effect of the way the property was designed to be. Nice hood vent here, little coffee bar over there. Moving through the rest of the house, it's going to keep. It's going to be 3 beds, 3 baths. Have a guest room here with its own separate bathroom. So through this area, we're going to have the master bedroom. We're going to take this space, move some walls around, make a nice grand entrance into a master bathroom with a freestanding tub and a tile shower area that opens up into a large master closet. But I don't want to show you too much. That's going to be a big surprise. So this is going to be the main attraction for this project. Off to the side, we're going to put a nice deck off of the side of the house with a veranda, and that's going to open up into a beautiful patio with an in-ground pool, have a pool house, a deck area for parties, grills, a fire pit, and a nice little garden with a storage shed in the back.